celebrity gossip, we just tell them if there is something wrong or maybe if there is something good. Here we speak it. I'm called mcomarinash, the truth meter. I'll tell you. Celebrity gossip every Wednesday usiku.
Tarang, 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 tarang. Right. Karibuni. Machiegni. E chenro mar celebrity gossip. Maendi chenro mabiro ni Wednesday ka Wednesday. Tich adek. Celebrity gossip. Kawuono celeb ma wan godo iluongo ni Dhiang Radidah. Ing'ama neno kanyo no endo, ing'e maber ni Dhiang Radidah nyocha oketho lwete moyudo atoto moro. Wadwa winjane matut about atoto neni, negiyudore nade, negiyudore kanye, to prank monoloso ne baby neni ere kaka notimore gima chalo kamano. Ing'ama osedonjo kanyo no endo giminyalo timo. Ing'eni sani nyocha yudo batiso, ok luonga ni mcomarinash. Jopiny nyocha odagi mowacho ni Omari ya MC oko, in kori luonge ni Omari Nash, kori luonga ni Omari Nash, dhako ngode nigi chake kore kubni ariyo to podi chwako sitirungi. Omari chieno jamone mbele, chiene mwaneno, mbele mwahodo. In kise donjo kanyo gimitimo ne msani, subscribe mondo wadhi urufa. Gimo chak matin kama, gima nyalo bedo maduong, to dobed maber manare. Ka un jok mochake, makuru wacho ni, Omari wagi yago mabor. En gima noma bwana kata ka ng'ato wiye dwa wil, te wacho ni Omari be paro. Sani bi iluonga ni Omari the ginene. Nitie nying moro manyocha gimiya ka turwenya nare. Parody cartel. Wan cartels mag parody. Cartel bar parody. Iluongo ni Omari the parody cartel. Koro ing'aman kanyo no endo wadwa winjo mathoth about Dhiang Radidah to kod jaode ma gikaw manyeno mera. Joma nyocha oseneno clip kacha cha endo apa nyocha uneno koyudo jaber. Kawuono wan gi jaber no ka. To wan gi Dhiang Radidah ka. Nyamin Dhiang Radidah bene ka. Bed koda mondo mi wadhi kanyakla mana kaka ineno no endo. Dakuri ni channel ni kaka ineno ni. Makuri channel makeni gik mimis iyudo ka. Gik mimis iyudo ka endi. Subscribe mondo ibed koda e chenro mar celebrity gossip. Inyalo bi kono ani to celeb mane midwaro to wakelo ni chap moyie wakelo motamore owe bed koda bwana mondo winj mar Dhiang Radidah.
This is called celebrity gossip. We just tell them if there is something wrong or maybe if there is something good. Here we speak it. I'm called mcomarinash, the truth meter. I'll tell you. Celebrity gossip every Wednesday usiku.
Alright, yakora mogi manaka kene no endo kawuono ineno kaka wan a celebrity gossip. Jomi neno kagi endi magi are all celebs. Manaka kene no endo keng'iyo batha kacha cha an ka gi ji manoma kawuono wan ka endi gi bathe kocha udhi kone nyinge, bathe kone udhi kone nyinge kasto diere to dhero achiel mapile iluongo ni Dhiang Radidah. Koko mano mokwongo Dhiang Radidah ine ma jogi ong'eyi kuongi mos ji.
Okay, akawo thuolni makende mar mos unu kweuru kamoro moro ma untie. An Dhiang Radidah. Pok aloko nyinga bende pok aloko sucha. Pod an mana Dhiang acha.
In Dhiang kaka pile.
Yes.
Koro ing'e ni nyalo kono joge ni kawuono ji otendi mang'eny. Inyalo ji introduce gi ni koni wan gi ng'a, kocha wan gi ng'a koro kae megi microphone gi wuo.
Gi bathe koni antiere kod Mikai Makamara ma jaoda. Then bathe koni antiere gi sister na. Yes. Ma sister na.
Okay.
Iluongo ni Viveka Obala.
Koro ing'e ni Mikai to mano koro wendo modhi alwe. Koro akwonga ame sister mos jopiny.
Hi. Hello. Kwa majina mshaambiwa tayari. Viveka Obala, a sister and a mother to Radidah in Nairobi, in this city. I stand as your mom.
Yeah, sister and your mom.
I'm not your age mate, Sama. I'm your elder sister. Your elder sister, whoever is older than you is your mom. Or dad. In Nairobi, yeah. I can play a role as a mom, someone who you're close to. Obviously, like your mom to you.
All right.
Yeah.
Now, for those people that are there, you say now, makakoro kiwinji gino. Tiye koro tek. Yeah, a mother and a sister too in here in Nairobi. Koro ong sengawe. Koro akeni inemi introduce me ngen macho koro chalo kaka matungo chalo kaka mom.
Now, this babe of ours, she's very welcome in the family. I love her so much. She's a good girl, and she's very much welcome in the family.
Right.
Karibu, mommy.
Oh, asante.
Just greet them.
Oh, hi. Adilo Gani Sheila, Dhiang Boya, Anyakano. And I'm happy to be married to Radidah.
All right. Nyapara mogi manaka kiwinjo no endo kawuono wan gi Dhiang Radidah. Dhiang Radidah the other time nuneno clip matin kachacha endo koyudo minot mare kendo sani to koro ginyalo luongore ne family. Dhiang Radidah kata ngapenji matin kapok wakinyo sister nikech samoro sister ni tipo apoya. Okikona ni to ere kaka nubiro makoro uromo mubedo koro couples. How did it happen? Nawinjo kipenjo machito Otieno Kajwang' en gi noromo gi mare gari mokono jini bwana use public vehicle anja oda na yure gari in unu yudo nango.
An bende gima nyalo nyiso jopiny kapo ni pok iyuto kapo ni pok iyudo dhako to kik imany go. Kapo ni iseyudo to bed gi marino. To kapo ni pok iyuto ndike muma kendo anyalo somo no. Where is my phone?
Your phone?
Yes, adwa somo ne joge muma. Ndike muma.
Andika lero.
Ndiko lero. Ada miyo joge muma. Ana by the way, angat Nyasaye.
Ingat Jehova.
Yes. Omiyo gigena gigi weche Nyasaye.
Baba somo.
Koro adwa somo no muma. Ondike muma ni kapo ni intiere kod jaodi miseyudo to bed kode.
Kapok iyudo.
To kapok iyudo to bende kik igomb mar bedo godo kata mar yudo. Amanyunu muma. Kidadwa no som koda. Ay mama ne ladwa kudo wiembe lo wede go siya.
Dhiang Radidah manyo muma is looking for us the
Yes, seche mamanye no.
For us the Bible.
Seche mamanye no. To anyalo gisu kama na yute. Ng'ato bende paro ni moro dongo dhi okwany. Ne adhi event. Mana kaka pile ng'eyo ni atimo events. Nadhi event mana mar riwo dichuo moro gi dhako moro.
Yani imbe ne dhi mana event mar ripo.
Mana pok ayude.
Mano ne timore chuny boma ma Nairobi.
Mano ne timore mana chuny boma ma Nairobi ka. Gwenge moko mag jo hapa kocha. Cho Kitengela kocha.
Otoki kang'iyo jaber en ng'ama cool. Nere kaka ne idhi kaka wang'ere bwana kata nang'era bwana kadhi event. Wan noisi nyaminori genda moko.
We waduoge muma matin. Ondike muma mar jo Korintho mokwongo 7. Wes 26 nyaka 27. Muma wacho som kod anuoyo jo Korintho mokwongo 7. Wes 26 nyaka 27.
Yes.
Muma wacho niya kare 26. Aparo ni kaka chandruok nitie e kinde ne. Ber mondo ng'ato osik kaka en. Ok ang'eyo ni jodiko nong'ena ni bech mogo dhi idho, but kanye magilose nikech ondiko ni aparo ni kaka chandruok nitie e kinde ni. Ber mondo ng'ato osik kaka en. West 27 ajadwen kiwinjo West to kik chandi. Wes 27 openjo owacho niya, in gi dhako koso? An gi dhako. Koro an anyalo dwoko ni an go.
Anaonge godo.
Ka kamano, ka in gi dhako, ondiko ni ka kamano, to kik uweru kode. Adier mara ni to pobi werego. Muma ema wacho, ka kamano, to kik uweru kode. To ka ionge gi dhako, to kik idwar mondo ibed. Hallelujah.
Apine ing'eni ng'ama ne okoro ketho lwete mane nyalo jiwowa. In jiwo mondo kik wachak oyud moro bwana.
No, to wan watiyo gi muma. Koro an bende notimore marach. Ni muma ne nyiepo kasomo ke kinde manyie an misumba. Omiyo koro wasome kinde ma koro kan misumba.
Koro ng'ama pok oyuto obed kaka en.
Obed kaka en.
Ng'ama oseyuto gibed kamano gin.
Gibed gi mareno.
Nyakora mogi mana kaka winjono eno ma endi luongo ni the celebrity gossip. Kawuono wan gi celebs ndani ya nyumba, nyalo neno bathe kocha cha endo wan gi Mikai maka Dhiang Radidah, the only thing we have in the field. To koro sani bi ochako we field no ni wacho ni sani iluongi official name.
Yes.
Edwin
Ouma Otieno.
We apinje season matin season. Kapok jogi noromo be ninge gimoro moro koso ininge mana chieng ma otimwa prank.
Okay. The first day they met, I heard about it. Then there was a time no plan mondo wa room, but things they turn upside down. Ma ilibidi they met me. Sasa ilibidi our first met was in the hospital. Yeah, I was in the hospital. They came, so akaniambia, she's doing the Mikai, and I was like, I could just come and hug me, though. Though things are not okay. Then the second time we organized, nikirudi home from kukwanini from hospital, Ibiro ate, tukajuana more. We cooked, we ate, and we had fun, and then boom, engagement.
Right. We could have changed it on Mikai, we believe ni ielewa dhuluo maber. What was your first gitig mukizungu mama do penjo kati ngino chanda tunase ike maber. Yani Eric
feel free mondi penja kizungu mathagi abro.
Kidwa kode ni yani gimono kuongo mori kuom Dhiang.
Chakikila gino kendo.
So Mikai can neno Dhiang for the first time.
What more do you?
What more do you?
Exactly.
When Dhiang approached you, actually, what more do you in Dhiang? Again, ngatoko kungu approach nitie gime kuonge neno.
His personality.
Personality. What do you mean by personality?
Personality teacher.
Like his personality, like I felt like we could vibe together. Like it's more of me. Though I'm not that talkative, but we could vibe together. So his personality drew my attention.
All right. Oh, you did not have this in mind, like the Ajawa thing, like maybe kako approach ane or say approach jiprario, like yeah, some people take it that way, that like ngani wuto ga event mupogore kane mo approach kama mo koro say approach mo kuprario.
A point of correction, no? We met at a wedding. Huh?
Oh, it was a wedding.
No, that's one. Another thing, I, as Dhiang Radidah, the MC, maybe we share platforms with you.
Yeah.
For example, apparently jokes garu moga stage. Ainya jamor oyodaga oko paro dendo kaka muol kaka ngama muol. Mabende
also you don't carry
I don't carry the joke out of stage. Winjo.
Okay.
Maparoni the approach ma samoro na miye, the approach mana miye kian okapar nen the funny approach my fellow my fellow comedians and MCs are using.
It was the
another thing,
more of Edwin than
more of
Dhiang
Edwin than Dhiang Radidah.
Okay.
Another thing, I didn't introduce myself to her as Dhiang Radidah Nikech, no Dhingeyo, ne my Dhiang Radidah cha. You get? I introduced my official.
You were so serious,
my official.
Very, very official.
Yes.
And you're like, hello, how are you? Like,
yes.
Very formal.
Yes. In fact, na approach kapoka donje podium one event. Okay. Mabende no kungeyo ne and mana host that show.
Right.
Koro en kamano.
So actually your personality is what made her at least aone ni kama mnaweza vibe pamoja. Sasa wewe
no mio.
Because wedding no pong mana okay can don't. Yeno kwanya watu net wedding kuti unyaka dia chia.
Wedding no pong kendo nyiri makubende ntie kanya. Mabeyo. But na yere. One, ngata nigi test na.
Exactly, yeah.
Winjo. Nyalo yudo nyiri mang'eny mabeyo ata moriedo, but yudo ka intiere gi test mari. One, kana ng'iye, she's my test. Right? Two, no jaberna. Ineno kaka chalni. Do ineno kaka chal. Iparo ni ka sero ng'ama chalo koda. Machira racha kaka racha. Iparo ni wanyalo nyuolo ng'er kata bim ka koro Nyasaye okonyowa ni wanyuol. Koro abiro neno ni gisucha ni nyaka blende mana gi nyako moro ma jaber kaka en. Mondo kata kaponi wanyuol ing'eni seche ma unyuol to temo nyuolo sura moro urumia the future nyithindo mabiro in future, you get. Mondo kaponi nyalo chung nyako moro koro tichunge timose ni ai madam idhi nade adhi maber. Nyingi ng'a nyako minyalo penji nyinge. For example, koro nyuol nyathi machal koda manyako to rabondo kaka rabondo. Iparo ni beserore.
Idong kode.
To ka wa blend sura ne gi sura ndibro ka wuok sura moro maber moingo wakata wate.
Exactly.
You get? Kata in iwoke
kiki donje dieri na interview kiki donje dieri kiki donje bir bra da para bogu baraka keneno no endo ka endi kor wanyalo wacho ni wan gi family mar Edwin ka konye ni Dhiang Radidah en ka endi gi jadiane okono akateta endo nikech okwadwar gik ma jomoko an koro wuok gi awinjo odwa ni yude right from the host mouse. What maber kabisa ni kik wachna ni ati wayudore ajawa no nen formal occasion wedding and orima indika cha ni jokes ge rumo ga stage ko wuok stage ko en mi sideways
anaga mopogore nikech inyalo dhi bana piny sani tek. Inyalo dhi tugo gi ng'ato, inyalo dhi walo gi ng'ato. Bayo, kiang'o. Walo gi ng'ato kaka wawalo gi ji, kaka wantiere show. Wabende ber gi jomoko, lakini gi jomoko, kaka sani bech ban mogo idhoni. Ng'ato onge gi kata gi teko mar nyiero, nyalo jam kodi serious. Another thing, samoro yudo ng'ato oko, ayudo ko Omari Nash nigi min gi mama gi gi budho kamoro. To anada mi Omari Nash nyiero yo moro mo wang'iyo godo kode takia ni ng'amo bedo godo ni ng'a. That's why and jokes garuma ng'o a stage.
Right. Now, aduogo kuom nyaminu, ng'eni en makawuono en pado maliet nikech en makoro chung kopo ni gik moko dhi mok ber to en ma koro wamokone. Koro Sid, in kanokoni gini endi ma idhi romo gi jaber minene ang'eni duogo ywayo brochien ikode ni jako chane okunya dakgo. What are some of the reasons minigine nikech into koro knocking beauty maybe ningiyo chunya and maybe responsibility?
To me, vile nilimwona hata vile alikuja usi, the way she was treating me, or she was giving me words of encouragement na mimi niliona tani ali attract yani Yeah, cause haku mind na ile nini ya usi, unajua vile hata usi mtu anakuanga yani hizo manguo. Then she was there huko nyikata Timothy and she never mind. She even alipeleka di toilet without minding. So hizo ndio vitu zenye liniattract kwake, nikasema tu nyathiwa, if I told she's not hiding yani she's not hiding herself yani. I think she's a pretty lady. She's your age mate. She's even beautiful. Yani from
Okay, to you, alikuwa full package.
Yeah, alikuwa full package. And for sometimes tumekuwa together. Tumepiga story. At least unajua to me someone mwenye unaona you are when you are together with people and then unaona someone is trying so much to protect your feelings from being hurt ama kitu yote. I believe that's a good person and that's what she is.
Exactly.
Unaona? You see, she cares too much. Hata tukitembea yani she's like, oh, how are you? Any usikwe hurt nini. Then my house is always full of fruits. Na yeye. So what else Bado Radidah is still looking for? Caring, and that's what we are looking for. If she can care that much about me, what about her husband?
Yeah.
Unaona?
Basi nyakora moge iwinjo kaka Kiswahili kalo kopo ni tini maybe obagi muten to chudo ni koro nyakamany translator because ka koro one maraj sanindi unachaka duogne mikai with the ndalo matin musebedo go gi Dhiang Radidah and the family and the friends. How is the experience?
I can say wonderful because you see their friends. I mean, he chooses the friends we interact with as a family. Their friends he meets when he's on his events and all that.
Like me, yeah.
Their friends,
it's true.
They are friends that are family that
family friends.
Yes, that we can interact with on family issues or on our personal family events.
Exactly.
So I can say it's a learning process. At the end of the day, you get to hear one word or two that will always improve your lives.
Yeah.
But I mean, it's very different from when he's not on the stage, by the way. It's not the blabby.
It's not the Dhiang Radidah of Wales. Dhiang Radidah of 40. It is very different, huh? So you want to say that maybe when he's in events, he's an MC. Kwa nyumba ye ni husband and a responsible person.
Yeah, very responsible.
Okay, responsible, very responsible. All right. So Dhiang Radidah imbe kono bwani ngeni gimini mucha jipod pejo nyaka kawuono. It was a prank. On the other side, another part, it was a surprise. How did you plan that thing, by the way?
Let me tell you something, and you'll even get it from your analysis. You do that analysis. Most men who come from South Nyanza, they are very romantic.
Huh?
Oh my God.
And me being an artist, I had to do it in an artistical way. You get? That's why it was more of surprise and prank. You get? Yeah. Another thing, anybody modo na wuonde mochope event machala kamano nyaka yani modo na kiti mochope event machala kamano nyaka na wuonde. You get? Then another thing, I wanted to, the prank was to test her. Nibende be oera ga githoge koso deeply oera. You get? Apparently from the video neno ka nadonjo kode mall. Kase donjo mall. In fact na wuonde. Na gole ot. Ma wuonde. Magise ne madam until a friend na moro. Okay, some 2 days before Agise nitiere friend moro nigi birthday and the marwak is jeans blue and a white shirt. Winjo? Maloso lepago maber. Okay. Then a day to ataka ngise ni event nini no cancel nikech na chich ni samoro nitiere gi oseparo gimoro. Angise ni event no bedo cancel. Boy no baba gi otho gokinyi. Koro event no kwadhi. Obro mana dhi kara mar biashara kacha. We have some drinks, then we come back in the house. Then kawadhi tingene uba tan maluongo. Ma uba dhi Shujaa Mall. Lakini anyiso ja uba ko winjo mondo a change godo pache ni ja uba kal kodwa Shujaa Mall ka then terwa Njiru. My hotel is at Njiru. Then kaja uba kal kodwa ngiso ja uba ni no just end ntigi wadhi bodho kaki kodeki. Then wadanyo kamoro kanyeto madho soda moro mati awuode ni warito brother ne moro iluongo ni Collins. Bende brother ni manokelo tudruok ahinya e kinda kode. Koro brother ni atemo gocho ne brother ni ngisa ni en Juja Road jiwapi akoni warite. Kare seche warite ni ne warite mondo guest speaker na obi mjoka. Ne poko chopo.
The brother knew the plan.
The brother knew the plan. Though no kongeyo prank.
Okay.
Yomi ne brother ongeyo she's shy. Koro nadwaro at least some 2 people 3 mongeyo mondo kobed kigino boge ahinya. Ngama shy ngeni ka gino boge nyalo kata mana gore piny molal.
Exactly.
Koro brother ne wacho ni ok bi. To luckily enough ne wantiere gi sister ne. Koro agolo geni wawirito brother nika ang no yudwa mbele. Wadonjure mall ka watimo ngo. Wanyiew some drinks. Koro penje drink mo tiyogo. Koro embondo ongisa drink mo tiyogo, ngisa mo tiyogo wine. Koro wadonjo ka wine. Penje ni ang ni madadi kama wine. He said no, just one. Kama ngisa ni no I'll do whiskey, abro tiyogo JD. Where wadonjo ka. Wadonjo ni to kara joka ka ana si tudra kod simu and everything. Friends gama ko pareyo, menasi tudrago mubiro gi nyagi upingo. Mobiro koro gin
Jomedia boluori
Jomedia benasi tudora ko duma utima ngo ma usebiro and mzoka kibao TV. Koro kubiro ka wabiro kamato jok ma cops ka bebiro. Koro ka biro to chako mana deya. Iwinjo. Koro ka gedeya na ngiyo ni nyako ni dhi luoro ko mak boyfriend ne mo ring owe I seen. Koso no dhi koda nyaka mbele. Koro natemo pache kanyo. Tedo ka ebe no mako matek.
Oyie.
Moyie.
Do nigi no
obuoge. But oyie mo en bende luoro mane ngodo cha bende natemo golo nikech oluor. Ma chome matir mbele jinadwa propose ne tek. Koro nyaka ngi kaka golo luoro chako. Koro nadhi golo luoro no ku.
Ayo ka hivi kaso kanyuma hakuna pale watanipeleka.
So anema koro oya. Neno.
Akibemba mana. By the way, it was so dramatic. We really enjoyed. Wamako video twabonjo kama.
Koro ne watime kama nero mondange.
The person that you
are. The person that I. Nedoka adier en nyako.
Moheri.
They asked me of 10k mondo giwe case no. Okay, jo sekelo ngama nagoyo. Won ba bende nitiere manago ngate bane. Ose file na case, the cops are here. Ane makoro sayuda ka an makoro idwa twe mose golo pingu koneno. Okay. Koro joka ka bokoni lilgalore kaka wami luor e industry ka okwa bitweyo pinge mbeleji. Ka en mall majindi. Koro waidh malo kacha udho timo ngo. Udho solve. Tema kwa chupu malo to ko ne gino wase solve ngani dwaro 10,000. To jaoda wacho ni 10,000 kende mutwe nane dichuo. 10,000 kende. An gi 10,000. To ngise ni kare ka ngi 10,000. Yes, ko ngise ni kare ka ngi 10,000 then wuuru e dot makoni ni. Mondo ngika ugol 10,000 ke ngano ok dwar 10,000 no M-Pesa odware cash. Yinjo. Ok wadhi wuoyo nini to neno mana ka ane madhi wuoyo koda ane idwa no wuo koda. Koro atelo to luwa karo kia ni budho bagne kae
Mekai ni winjo nare by the way sama kore sada nikaji because I know that one was the real surprise. Yeah. Real one. Kaji wacho ni surprise. We gik moko mangato wacho ni guy ili ni surprise koro majeche surprise. Kecho kinya wacho ni ili ni surprise to box tina ko ngato tinge bago kelo ni yawa. Ni ali ni surprise na phone.
In fact, the one called gimane uthiri ahinya, the one called the ot the whole day. And I have very good friends. Na coordinate kod gi simu, abire scene 2 hours. Ta dog. Kichebe no ko the kanisa. Then a dog ot kapoko fwenyo ne an kamoro. Koro aweka friends ga chapni. Magi friends ga moloso gigo te. Gimoro brana seketo venue, everything. Mani koro maiketo ka. Koro my friends did it. I have a friend called Haron, Maggie, Swale, Jackie. They did a wonderful work. Right.
It was perfect.
It was perfect.
It was
perfect. In fact, the sister knew about it, but the sister knew the part of prank of it. The part of drama, Nokia. Man been no dear ne yawa. Mabe no chigni leak ne. Ni ato jogi go watu wadhi sere. But en bende no kodini gicha no dhi okao pache.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah.
You get. Ebe no maka chunya ne yawa. Jokuru waka oyura to kuka yura ne wadhi propose ne. Karo kiani kumwadhi ene midhi timegi.
Nikaya was the experience. And we don't catch ere kaka ni feel call. Iyudo ji one kacha occasion is there. Yani everything is arranged.
I was shocked. Like I was even asking how did he manage to do all that? We were together the entire time. I didn't even have a clue that there was something like that. In my mind, I knew we were just going to Jiru, we have some good drinks and we come back home. So I even wondered what time did he manage to pull all that together? And at that point when they were telling us that he's going to go to the jail, now I was wondering, goodness, now what is this? We just came to have fun and go home. Now what has happened? And how comes, I've never known him to be a violent guy. So I was wondering at what point did he beat that guy? And why did he tell me? Because we normally share like everything together.
Yeah.
So we don't keep secrets, no matter how bad it is.
Yeah.
So the moment I walked in that place, I swear to God, I almost collapsed. It was so amazing. It was so amazing.
Okay, nyamenimbe ninge gimoro more about that day, or you are also shocked?
Trust me, Omari. Okay. I'm married, but if any man tries me with that kind of surprise, I wish my husband could go back and do the same. My marriage was like, boom, now mother, yeah, we are married. The next thing you heard the pattern, husband, yeah, I'm a mother and I'm a husband. That is all. But I've not said, don't mark my words wrong. Don't mark my words wrong. I'm not saying that I'm not happy. I'm happy.
Yeah. In your marriage?
In my marriage.
Yeah.
Happy, and I'm also a happy mother. I don't complain, but whatever happened there was crazy. It was epic. I loved it, by the way. So, okay, with the plans, I knew it was an engagement thing, and he told me to keep my mouth kierere niweke mbali kidogo. So, anbate more the same, but we were chatting like, unakuja Njiru, and I was like, no. And I was doing badai. Then the brother was like, event ishaanza, are you coming or not? I'm like, hey bro, you know how I feel, but let me, acha nijikokote nifike. And nilitry nikafika, but hata ulionaje Omari, don't ginone meet.
Gicha ne wow. In fact, anaziwa chinuka di nyombo. Kachako gicho encourage ani munda nyombi. Then sa nigi mosa omne emucha kokona ni lingu menjireno. Kwa ngene Dhiang Radidah keta status adi. nokadwa nyombo wan to kotimo gicho to biomora monda nyombo to kochako somo na gini to duoka kumuni wanti but it was good and hapa nini no kata MCs the jamu machalo one dependle no one professor, so they were like Omari himbe time machalo kama Omari himbe chale matimo kama himbe time machalo kama. So it was I was a target kata pengle no kuna neno kai mi makanya komaro then gimose gine ne itie ko kanke Dhiang Radidah se pango gimoro I was almost doing it and mania koro I don't have that serious face no kumaro mama die ngato neno childish kuringi kan I don't propose ngato ngato Omari you are funny so we aga kamana eno mimi njuka penje ni how did he manage nikech anko kuna approach nyako kata sana kata nyiri manena ruboko consider a celebrity gossip Omari walo ifari ngene momiyo lakini ngachicha is serious eri kaka Edwin no approach ngeti nangeno diko ni MC walo so to gicha no more but
kaka no nyisi Dhiang is a stage name. Okay, it's his job. Let me just say it's a job. Dhiang is ni kazi. And then Radidah, when it comes to a family, or when it comes back home, he's Edwin, like you said before.
Yeah.
No. So Omari, you should do the same. Be Omari. Now you are Omari.
Yeah.
Now you are Omari Nash. Hey, Nash.
Omari Nash.
You are Omari Nash. But out there, who are you?
Nation.
Nation who?
Omari.
Then be that out
Then get
there.
the difference.
Yeah.
You get the difference.
Draw the line.
Yeah, kuna ile, okay, you're in entertainment industry, he is too. Yeah, so whenever there's kuna some words zenye ataniambia akiwa job, nitacheka. But akiwa home niambie kitu kaa hiyo, pan kwa mgongo, wala. Pan kwa kichwa, wala.
Like you know titugo ika dugudu pan mano walo Tokoro Dhiang Radidah we penji neno like tijo moti mostly or depend from the artist inano to mostly watemega gotieno iwinjo to iyudo ka maybe weekends munyalo bede kaka family members imbende idhie tich iwinjo kech embe don't weekdays or they teach calling any weekend morning be new bedo kaka family members at least you share one or two as a husband and wife imbende in a field itiyo. So is this not a challenge to you or for her?
It's a challenge, yes. It was a challenge. But yeah, it was a challenge. But no one yo mwanya locate godo. But never found a solution. You get.
Okay.
Okadwar keto pacha iticha hinya. Nikech tijni atiyo mondo moro godo angowa my family. Gimoro amora mitimo mondo imoro godo your family. Kitiyo pesa ke yudo tido ngikile family. To take nigi family ka okay time. Koro atiyo gotieno. And the lady is working daytime during weekdays. Ikindimoka this teach nyaka miye time maber mare. Anatiyo gotieno. Weekends, Saturday, I teach lakini I teach gotieno. The whole of the day an kode.
Yeah.
I make sure ni onge kama day. Same to Sunday. Yeah.
All right. Okay. Now, wapinja ne jaber koro kopo ni like Saturday okidhi teach intiere ot to jaduong' be dhi teach. Binyalo kombo chieng' moro maybe udhi egesa pamoja. Iwachi ni wako jaduong' teach.
Yeah, you see us, I don't know, but I think our relationship we've made it easier because we laid out rules and we agreed on how it's gonna be.
Rules nitiye.
How it's gonna be, so it's kind of easy like us as a couple, we normally create time to go for dates. Even during the week, we can go for coffee date. We can go for a walk. Like now, we are going for a coffee date with our lovely sister here. Yes.
We are taking our sister out.
And
And we are going with you together.
Come with us.
all right. Manua take live with you. Ne bwana we. You may in Canyon one walk very coffee. Watching coffee.
Yes, a coffee.
Okay.
So we normally organize for dates. We can decide just to go for a walk in the evening when I'm from work. Or we can just decide to chill in the house and watch a movie. Or we can go out, hang out with our sister here. So normally it's easier. And on a weekend, let's say maybe he's performing somewhere, we might just decide to surprise him. Not every time I can tell him like, I'm coming. No. Just to surprise him he might not even know that I'm going to be there.
Yeah.
But atashtuka tu, asikie tu, so and so anakuita somewhere there. Yeah,
All
so
right.
on a weekend, maybe to go to a guest yes, we can.
Okay.
We go out, maybe go for a walk or go for just a family fun time, yes. Or go out at night as couples, yes. We do that at times when we have time.
Yeah.
But normally we value our time mostly at home. Or maybe most of the time it's either we are at home or we are on a coffee date or we are with our sister here.
All right.
So our timings are always kind of balanced.
Okay. Now, before we conclude this, Dhiang Radidah now, as you can see, is one of the celebs that we have in Luoland, So maybe ameenda mahali, then wamepiga picha na mrembo. Na vile unajua siku hizi watu wako so fast. Mtu ashapiga, amepost, inaenda viral. What can be your take? Like, umeona tu kuna picha fulani inaenda viral kwa social media. Saa zingine ni uongo tu, kwa sababu unajua ma celebs, saa zingine mtu amekuja mpige picha. Hawezi sema eti, oh, I'm married now, I'll not be taking photograph with the female, no? What can be your take now?
Kai, mokongo ogoga picha. Kataka one together.
Yeah, no, you must say more. I'm going to come out and
You see, like now, as soon as we go for coffee now, and a lady I'm be, I would like to take a picture with you. Why would I say no? You see, now that is Radidah. That is not Edwin. Me, I'm in love with Edwin. I'm not in love with Radidah.
Thank you, darling.
Get the difference.
Thank you.
So when he's out there taking his photos, actually, when he comes home, we normally make fun of it. And we kind of you see, such kind of things. Yeah, but at the end of the day, even him, he has drawn that line. When he's out there, he's Radidah. When he's with me, like now, he's Edwin. And me, I didn't fall in love with Radidah. I fell in love with Edwin.
Yo manoko kanyano bwana ambe kangato era mundu kura ani interview kwa bwana ipaka bwana ni alinga lengo bwana Dhiang Radidah kwa bwana ene paka pakani oboga and naelewa wow
no, but at the end of the day he has to draw that line. You see, even as much as is part of his work and what he does, there has to be some level of respect.
Yeah.
And you have to put each other's feelings in consideration.
Okay.
Omari, there is something in a relationship.
Yeah.
It's called understanding in capital letters. It's understanding, understanding, and understanding, right? And respect. You get. Another thing, with us, we understand each other.
Yeah.
You get. And we also have a principle with that. Ma ka ng'ato nigo to paro ni nyalo konye life. Kuyo picha okrach. Obo nyalo go picha. You get. Nyalo yude to kaka jogo go koda picha no. Kaka en bendo nyalo yudo Omari to gombo go Omari pi. Picha nyalo yudo Gina Koko gombo go Gina Koko. Picha nyalo yudo Prince Linda go. Gima timore kanya na understanding. Another thing, nitiere principle ma wan go. Ma set kiwango. Ne tim ne ng'ato gima mori ka in bende timni. Okay? adhi chodo, be amor ko chodna.
Yani reflect. Gima koponi
Pame, be amor ko pama. You get? Dhano chalre. Dhano chalre. You asked about entertainment. Entertainment is part of life. Everybody needs it.
Yeah.
Everybody needs an entertainment time. Onge ng'ama ok dwar entertainment. Koro okanyal wacho ni nikech kura kendo okanyal jaoda okanyal dhi godo kama. Owinjore adhi kode. Ni an adwa kete ot.
To entertain chingato.
Ta entertain chingato. I entertain ng'et ng'ato. Adhi entertain mana marano.
Even when Mari be entertain,
Yes.
make you
Seche ma entertain ng'ato no. Attention mimiyo chingato ma ng'ato bende. It is a tit for tat.
Yeah.
Seche miwe mari ka ng'ato ka ini entertain ng'ato. Dhano chalre. Obro entertain ng'ama chielo. Yes.
Koro manyiso ni gima ji wacho ni an jaoda okanya biro go bla bla.
Then love gima keto love bedo musiko. One and surprise. I got this from Dola Kabari. Emane kela etimo gimina no kata imbe surprise. I got it from Dola Kabari. Dola Kabari no ndeke wall ni chimoro ni love marriage should be full of surprises. Surprise each and every time. You get? Okucho ni surprise jao digi gari koko is surprise. Okucho ni surprise gi hot migero maduongo ke surprise. Surprise is a surprise.
Kare betingo mamutora ti.
Kare tingo mana mtura. Yes. You get? And mane gima. Yes. Mane gima edoka nyiri ohero kabisa. Surprise. Nyako chalo nyathi. Kidonje ot, tidonjo kitingo bag. Kati tingo mana bag mutingo, itingo polythene. Kati tingo mana polythene mutingo wuoche miya kuoyo.
Titingo gimoro.
Titingo gimoro.
Ibede ng'at mado.
Lazima iwe ndani.
Koro mano surprise. Kango ng'iyo gine koko idoni kare neno wuoche. That's a surprise to her.
But the surprise has already happened.
Koro marriage should be full of surprises.
Koro in kaka comedian bente samoro minyalo tugo bwana migo ne comedy matin, not that the korido bedo joki, but in the chora comedy moro matin kata maybe kunendo or kapuruchiemo or something of that kind.
It does that a lot.
Yes. Okanyal dhi moro oganda oko to dato kabiro takun. Can never happen. Yes.
Charity begins at home.
At home.
All right. Nyamin ka watie kadwa ni koro imiwa word of advice ne both joma ng'iyo to gi the couple. Ingeni koro ine maka nikech e madho mwana koro maktoro fong. We just want to give you this time a mi camera mondo koro iwuowa gi jopiny manenowa and the Evans family. Yes.
Hii dunia ita siku hizi kuna advice jo kama.
Ikoni wasechopo kama koro penye mapuonjo ji.
No. Yes. Ako saka control. Chini. Kama usechopo ni manani jatugo metudo jatugo wadu. Jambaka metudo jambaka wadu ama.
Yeah, Musa Jakadala. And it's true.
Musa Jakadala.
It's true nekech jinige past. Vile pok nindo jatugo wadu.
Exactly.
Winjo. Pok nindo jawalo wadu.
Jawalo wadu.
Ne yudo moko, iyudo moko ma en gimitimo kumore kata gimotimo kumore.
Yeah.
You get? Mano miyudo ka nitie relationship manase temo. Ok an virgin. Relationship. Yeah. That's true. Ang'eyo ni kata ing'eyo but nikech koro wantiere wang idwa chalo gima ikia. Ogopoi. Let me tell you the truth. Let me tell you the truth. Nitiere ng'ato nigi past. Ibedo gi past nango? Ibedo gi past nango? Ni pok yudo ng'ama umach godo. Matching mar dhako gi dichuo tek.
Awinjo.
Ng'ato ka wuoyo kata samoro ng'ato bro wacho ni this guy nigi experience mar gi musekendo mona boro. But wang'isi matching mar dhako gi dichuo tek. Gima omiyo tek is one. Kata mama u kipenjo kata daw kipenjo to bro ng'isi ne gigore gi kwaru kane gichako hera.
Awinjo.
Gima omiyo gigore chal nade?
Ne pok gi lan.
Relationship te chalre. Onge relationship te chalre. Koro pogruok en joma nie relationship. Nikech onyuoli Migori. Nyako midwa kendo nyuol Siaya. Upogoru e remo, upogoru kaka uneno, upogoru e taste, upogoru kaka udongo, upogoru everything. Nyaka skin color. Mondo ubed makoro udwa riuru makoro ubed ni koro unyalo winjoru. It will take time and it will involve gorruok, yanyruok and everything. To ka in gi ma wijne, you understanding ma wecha. Tibro na kudak muti kaka baba ugino ti.
Kendo kot kanyo ti wuona ka ng'amo nyomba dier.
Iwinjo. Kech ubro goru, seche mugoru no, ng'ato dwano ng'e kit wadgi. Ng'ato dwano ng'e kit wadgi. Iwinjo. Iyudo dichuo malelo. Iyudo dichuo malelo. Ibro trime mowe lendeni. Mobolre. Satimore kamano e miere mang'eny. Iwinjo. Ibro trime mowe lendeni mobolre. To kineno ka lendeni ok onyal weyo, to chuni ni ne minyigi lendeni.
Kati we.
Koro we tibro mana we ka wi kionge understanding. Nikech ere tiende we ng'eni weruok atemo discourage weruok.
Yemite mo to the understanding mo ni kan. All right.
Omari, what I can tell you right now, me not sorry in a love, Miss Jui. No. But what I know, Heshima, let me just say it in a pure language, Madite understand yani. Heshima, respect. Omari, my sister-in-law, my brother, I always tell you. No. Luere, and give mama give a loan luere, nikitamana sana. You see, once you respect your partner, trust me, ukona ability ya raise your kids in a good way. I'm a good manner. We call it whatever it is. Bora you understand. Unaona? Once yani hii heshima iko between the two of you, there is no day kutakuwa na kushuku. Niaje uhaje kwa aki brother ko sijui nini. I saw the pictures and everything where you are saying that pictures might occur yani because he's a famous face, is a famous figure, unaona. So all those are there, but she made it clear that she loves Edwin, not Dhiang.
All right.
Unanipata? And that's a big step, Mama.
Yeah, exactly.
And then Lue Shima, love is there, but do you guys know love do fade? But once you have that heshima, you have that respect, you have that care for each other, trust me, nothing can ever happen
that will
separate the two of you. Kwa tuna heshima. Just know that this is my partner, this is my best friend, this is my brother, this is my dad. Yani, he is my family, he is me. Unaona? Just trust him. You know, hata mimi pia I've had some calls, unapata nimekana bishi tangu unapata ati dema amecall nati wachana na bwanangu. Ask her, bwanako ni nani? Yeah, atakwambia. Then yeye alikwambia mimi ni nani? Alisema ni friend, si ni friend. Yeah, don't trust your husband. Unaona? So you're trust.
Nakwambia we are friends, trust him.
Trust your husband. You're trust na heshima. Mimi tu ndio kitu nitapatia. Anta love akia. Mi sijui love. But Omari Nash, even you, I'm just giving an example with you, but aninya sekoma. So what I can say, Omari ni waher rematin. My friend, I will not lie to you. I tell her, to me, I don't love, but I do respect you and like you and have you as someone close to me, Omari. You know, when we have that between us, Omari, we can go far. No. And ukisikia tu kitu imefanya Vivi, you care.
Yes.
See you sit down there, then you're telling me that when Vivi has it, we are best friends. Vivi now has a problem. Iringo matindi. No, you don't. We don't. Let us not lie to each other. No. But sis-in-law, me, I know my brother loves you. He is a brother. You know how we love each other, me and him. And you know, anyone gets to me, ameingia kwa mguu yangu. Omari is a witness here. Omari knows me.
Yeah, I know.
Amenijua for few years, but Omari knows me. Omari knows what I'm capable of. And Omari knows when I'm also mad. I'm good. And I also get wild. No. And once I get wild, sorry, yako nimeenda. No. But I love you. What I can tell you, I love you. Mimi, I've never talked about any chick on sijui nini, but from the first day we bonded, I don't know if you will kunanihurumia because I was not doing well because I was sick, sijui, but whatever it is, mom, afadhali mkae tu chini msolve, mupendane, mulangane.
All right, thank you so much for those people that were watching. I don't know whether somebody is remaining with the last word before we call it off. Dhiang Radidah, our beloved Omejo there, and sister Usugo Maber, lakini kaka family be udonge gigi moromadangu wachi kawatieko the show.
Gimonya lo wacho kian. Subscribe to Omari Nash YouTube channel.
Oh, thank you so much for those people that are watching. Kikoru donje dak ngato winja ni bwana pastor were go uru. They already don't say my gine bwana kamera rio Mario me horo wondo kan kichwane kamera. Thank you so much. Let's meet on Wednesday on another celebrity gossip.
Presenda, Musa Jakadala, Fredi Jakadongo, Okunyalu Eyo, Elisa Toto, Jangolo locally known and internationally recognized, Work Giki Swahili we got, Kokabiro Gorego Pin, Embele Kamera.
Ni Wachembili.
Wachembili.
This is called celebrity gossip. We just tell them if there is something wrong or maybe if there is something good. Here we speak it. I'm called mcomarinash, the truth meter. I'll tell you. Celebrity gossip every Wednesday usiku.
Hato mwako nini?